I'm Viatcheslav Pivovarov, CEO and CIO of Altera Capital, a Russia-focused investment manager. We run three key funds. One is in real estate, second is private equity, and third one is a public securities hedge fund. This is a part of an international roadshow. We're on the way from London to New York, stopped also in Toronto, to deliver the investment story that we believe in happening in Russia. Well, Russia is probably the market that's known to have the most misconceptions of all of them. I'll try to mention maybe a few key ones. The first one would be the demographical situation. People expect Russian population to decline to below 100 million people in just about 20 years. To get to those numbers, they extrapolate the statistics of the beginning of between 2000 and 2005 that has substantially changed and improved since 2005. And actually in 2011 we expect the population to start increasing for the first time in the past 10 years. The second important point is inflation. Russia is known to have a very high inflation. However, we again in 2011 on target to bring inflation in check, which should help substantially to increase savings in the economy and also drive investments. So probably the third one, which is not a misconception, but the point that's been often missed, is the key driver of the Russian economy, which I believe is the productivity improvements across the Russian industry. Just in 2000, the labor productivity was at around 6,000–7,000 per employee, and in 2010 it's already above 20,000, and that's what I would say the low-hanging fruit of the structural continuing growth of the Russian economy going forward. Russian market overall is a fairly large consumer market with 140 people. Given a fairly high GDP per capita and more importantly discretionary income per capita, it's probably one of the top consumer markets in Europe. And that's clearly represents a substantial opportunity because this market remains very underpenetrated in terms of goods and services. However, it would probably make sense to focus on the specific industries and technologies where you can have substantial productivity improvements and innovation to capture those market shares in an efficient way and to stay competitive globally so that you're not limited by the constraints of the one single market. The Russian economic climate has substantially improved after the 2008–2009 crisis that served to be a reality check. And today the corporate balance sheets are stronger, the dependence on foreign loans is substantially diminished, and therefore companies are much better equipped to capitalize on the market opportunities where they operate.